Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. Today I am happy to present this beautiful 4-bedroom house at Kwabenya, close to ACP Estate. This house is situated close to the KNUST University, Accra campus, and it's within a mini gated community of 4 units with one common exterior wall, beautifully tiled compound with designated garden areas and potted plants to help with the quality of air. The homes have a 150-meter deep borehole which supplies water to the overhead tanks provided on each unit. Each unit has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 washrooms, meaning each bedroom has a full bathroom and there is a guest washroom as well. A fully fitted kitchen and parking for at least 3 cars. The asking price of this unit is $187,000. It has been discounted from the initial asking of $200,000 to $187,000. As we take a walk through the property, you would appreciate the price and come to understand that it is truly a bargain. The total floor area of the property is 440 square meters, with the compound making up 200 square meters and all the rooms coming up to 240 square meters. It is a fully furnished unit, furnished with very quality fittings and fixtures. It has an open plan, a very spacious living room adjoining to a dining area and a large kitchen space of 21 square meters. The kitchen also has an external door that opens to the kitchen backyard and can also serve as an emergency exit. It also has a pantry, or what we call a storeroom here in Ghana. All fittings and fixtures are fully done. It's a fully loaded kitchen with marble worktop, a double sink bowl, cabinets, drawers, shelves, an island installed, a gas cooker, microwave oven, food extractor, and a double door fridge. There's the guest washroom and the bedroom downstairs, which also has an external door, making it ideal for a living help as well. As guests, there are 6 air conditioners installed, 1 in the living room, 1 in the kitchen, and all the bedrooms, all 4 bedrooms also have their own ACs. There are also 6 fans, one in the living room, one in the kitchen, and all bedrooms also have fans. See the beautiful stair area with lots of natural light coming in. Very simple yet beautiful POP designs. This bedroom is 18 square meters. And it also has its full bathroom, as we are looking at. As you can see, there is very high water pressure. So we're on one of the terraces, and as we can see, it overlooks the beautiful Kwabenya neighborhood. The land is titled and it has all documentations in place. (18 square meter of living space in the bedroom). Now let's get to the primary bedroom soon and see what we have there. Just give us a call on 055-049-6399 or 0244-588-8855 for purchase enquiries. You can check the link in the description for our numbers and our WhatsApp link. It's a truly unique and remarkable place. And now we are in the primary bedroom, or what we call the master's bedroom. 25 square meters of living space. A walk-through closet. And washroom with a standing shower and a jacuzzi. And then the balcony overlooking the compound. Do give us a call. Looking forward to hearing from you.